Assalamu alaikum, students. Yesterday we have started the transformation. In transformation, yesterday we have done translation one of the type. Now the second question in translation, I have written the question number 2, all the parts A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, in this question, the object equation and image equation is given to us. We have to find its translation. Second type of question. Yesterday we have done the object equation and translation was given, and we have found the image equation. Now, object and image equation is given. We have to find its translation. I have written here the laws, the first, second, and third law. These all three laws will be used here. Now, come to the question number 2A part. How you have to find the translation? First of all, you will have to make an assessment. What is the common thing in these two equations? Just like x square plus 5x. If you will observe, x square plus 5x, both are the same. It's mean it's the translation would be the first one, the whatever the value will be the same, you will put 0, and the difference of these two would be 4. Again, just attention over here. Just see the x things are same and the constant value are different, so you will take the difference of the constant value. It's mean the first law, which is equal regarding y-axis, it is x-axis. It's mean here x would be 0 and the y value, the difference of these two. Just come to the second part. If I observe it, here also, if you will observe, the value of x is same. X square plus x cube. What? This is x cube. These two values are same. So how you will take the difference? The translation we will write 0 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. The difference of these two. Image and object difference we will take. Here. Just see for the C part. In C part, there is a second law he has used. He has replaced x plus 1 in place of x. Here x plus 1 in place of x. So if for the sake of second law, the translation would be minus 1, 0. If you will keep the value here, you will get this equation. The translation should be that one. If you will keep this translation to the object equation, your image equation should come. If you will keep minus 1 here, you will get x plus 1 square minus 3 into x plus 1. Now, observe the D part. In D part, he has also replaced, use second law, minus 2, x minus 2, 2, 0. Would be the translation. Now, come to the E part. In E part, he has also replaced something. What is the digit he has replaced? To make the image equation 2x plus 5, if I will keep x minus 1 here. For example, just see, if you will keep 2 into x minus 1 plus 5. 2x plus 5, 2x plus 3. Here is 3. Just solve it. 2x minus 2 plus 5, you will get the image equation. The translation should be that thing. If you will keep the translation in object equation, the image equation should come. So my translation would be here 1 0. 1 0. Now the next thing is, this equation shows that this is object equation, image equation. It is clearly seen the third law has been used here. So what he has replaced here, x minus 2. So the x-axis translation 2. If you will keep the value 2 here, 2 3 are 6, minus 6 plus 10, that is 4. Just keep this translation here, you will get that equation. This was the second type of this question, when object equation and the image equation was given and how we have to find its translation. These are the sum of the parts. So I have done all the parts for you. Now the next question comes, he will draw a graph and will give you the laws according to this one. He will set, Cambridge will set the equation regarding these laws. We have to move our coordinates regarding these laws. How will we have to move? You have the question number 3, the graph has been drawn. I'm just going to do. Here I have a graph. In question number 3, A part, the first part, y is equal to f of x minus 4. If we will compare this equation to your law, so it stands for the first law we will use and move our coordinates according to this law. I will write only the coordinates. The graph is with you, 2 2 0 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 3 3. This is the object graph. Object graph. Now we have to move our coordinates regarding this law. The first law, it stands for f of x minus 4. You have to move down 4 unit. If you will move down to 4 unit, the new coordinates will be 2 minus 2. Just observe from the graph, your object graph is at 2 2. This equation stands for f of x minus 4, mean this value will move down 4 unit. The 4 unit, when you will down, the new coordinates you will get 2 minus 2, and the second is 0 minus 2. Now minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 3 minus 1. What we have observed in this part, just see all the x coordinate are same. All the x coordinate. F of x minus 4 at y axis. So we have to move down 4 units regarding the y axis. And the new coordinates you will get this one, and these coordinates you have to plot on a piece of graph paper. Now the second part says, the second law in B part, f of x minus 2. It is very clearly seen this law relates to the second thing, x-axis. Now the object is same. I will write the image. When this law will be used, how we will have to move? Minus 2 means you have to move forward 2 unit. 2 unit forward. When you will move the first image, you will get the image 4 to 2 unit forward, because it is at the x-axis, so x will be changed, y remains same. 4 2, the next point is 0 2, and this 0 2 will move to 2 2. 2 2. The next is minus 1 1, minus 1 and 1. It would be 1 1. 1 1. No, minus 2 3, 0 3, and minus 1 3, minus 1. We have to move 2 unit forward. X minus 2 stand for. If you will find the equation x plus 2, then you will have to move 2 unit backward. Here there was minus 2, I have moved 2 unit forward. If you find the question x plus 2, you will have to move 2 unit backward. Now in the C part, f of x plus 1 minus 5. It stands for, this is the third law. And I have already told you the third law is a combination of the first and the second law. Now, what I have told you over here, if you find the plus 2, you will have to move 2 unit backward. No, here x plus 1 comes. It's mean we have to move 1 unit backward and 5 downward. The combination of these two laws. The resulting image, you will find 1 minus 3, the image. Object in all the 3 cases will be same. Object is same. We have to get the image regarding these A, B and C different equations. 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3, minus 2 minus 4, minus 3 minus 2, minus 4 minus 2. I'm going to repeat it again. The Cambridge will set the question, we will give you the graph and you will have to plot the graph. So I have told you regarding the coordinates. The coordinates of this graph was the object graph, this one we have written. You have to find the image regarding the equation which will be given in your question. In all the three parts, all the three laws has been used. And these three laws, we have to move our object according to the laws which are given regarding this equation. The first equation is the first law. -4 means you have to move 4 unit downwards. X would be remain same. X will be same. No, we have changed Y. If the second law used, it's mean the X value will be changed, Y remains same. And this -2 means you have to move 2 unit forward. If you find plus, then the 2 unit backward. The third law, the combination of these two laws. 1 unit backward, 5 unit downward. This was the third type of the question. He may ask about it. But this object equation will be given in here. It is the question. So, from your exercise 2E, page number 54, question number 3, this was the graph. I have written the coordinates from the graph. If you will see, this is the graph which you will find in your book. This is the question. We have to get the answer by writing its image coordinate. And image coordinate, first of all, you will have to relate your equation regarding these laws. Which law has been used for this equation? Now, if you see the question number 4, on the same axis, sketch the graph of y is equal to 2x and y is equal to 2x plus 2. The same thing, you will have to draw a post value, a table, and draw the graph of 2x and 2x plus 2. In the B part, y is equal to 2x can be transformed. The B part I will do here. Question number 4, in A part, draw graph. It is simple, just like you have done in O level even. In the B part, y is equal to 2x. And its image equation is y is equal to 2x plus 2. Now you will have to see by a translation 0a. Very much clearly seen the first law has been used here. So what would be the value of a? A would be 2. Because 2 has been added. Regarding the first law, is C part. In C part, the equation was same. Y is equal to 2x and y is equal to 2x plus 2. Translation he has changed. According to this, the second law has been used and the value of b would be -1. It means something has been replaced in place of x. What he has replaced? X plus 1. If you will replace x to x plus 1, you will get your image equation. Example, I'm going to write 2 into x plus 1, 2x plus 2. You will get your image equation. This was the question number 4. These are the small questions, so I will do all the questions. Now number 5. Now there is a weekend, you have to revise the whole exercise. The only 3 questions left. Y is equal to x plus 3, x minus 2, x minus 5. Write the similar form, the equation of the graph after the translation 2, 0. The translation has been given 2, 0. It's mean the second law has been used. So for the sake of second law, what we will do, we just add x plus 3 minus 2, x minus 2 minus 2, x minus 5 minus 2. What we do in the second law, we just add this translation into the equation. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. What would be the resulting one? X plus 1, x minus 4, x minus 7. This was the question number 5. Now in question number 6, question number 6, y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 1. The translation is 1, 2, and we have to find the equation. If you will see, this is related to the law number 3. So how will I have to write? First of all, replace x minus 1 square minus 4 x minus 1 plus 1 plus 2. At the end, I will just only add this thing. X minus 1 square minus 4 into x minus 1 plus 3. You may leave the answer here. Yes, this was a question number 6. The translation was 1, 2. We have to just see which law will be used, the third one. In the third one, first of all, we will make a replacement. And at the end, with the constant value, we will add. Here, I may simplify it. Just like open the bracket, x square plus 1 minus 2x minus 4x plus 4 plus 3. The resulting equation would be x square minus 6x plus 8. This was the resulting equation. So question number 5. Now, the last question of this exercise. Question number 7 was y is equal to a c. The translation was 2 minus 5. The resulting graph, the image graph will come 2x square minus 11x plus 10. Find the value of a, b and c. Just understand this is the translation of the law number 3. Now in this question, he has given the image equation. The object equation is missing. So we have to find the object equation. How? The solution is this one, a x minus 2 whole square plus b x minus 2 minus plus c minus 5. At the end, constant value you will add. 11x plus 10. This is 10. Now open it. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus bx minus 2b plus c minus 5. Now just multiply ax square plus 4a minus 4ax plus bx 2b plus c minus 5. Now we have to compare this equation to the image equation. Here the coefficient of x square is 2. The coefficient of x square is a. The value of a would be 2. Now here the coefficient of x is minus 11. Minus 11. The coefficient of x is here minus 4a plus b. That's it. You have to compare the coefficient of the like terms. Here coefficient of x is minus 11. Here the coefficient of x is minus 4a plus b. Now keep the value. Minus 11 minus 4, a we have found, b 11 minus 8 plus b plus 8, and the value of b is minus 3. Now we have to find the value of c. C is a constant. Here the constant value is 10, and here the constant value is 4a. 4a minus 2b plus c minus 5. All the constant value without x you will have to write. Now 10, the value of a is 2, value of b is minus 3, you will find c. 8 plus 6 minus 5 plus c. 7. 8 plus 6 minus 5 plus c. 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to c would be 1. This was all about your exercise of the translation. Translation, there are the three types of question. If object and image equation is given, we have to find the translation. If object and image equation is given, we have to find the translation. If object and translation is given, we have to find the image equation. And one thing more, if the image equation and the translation is given, how to have, we have to find the object equation. This is the way. This was all about three types of question. You will have to revise the whole exercise in the weekend, and inshallah we will do the next thing in the inshallah on Monday. We will study reflection. I will send you today the worksheet for the reflection. Okay, Allah Hafiz.